How to trade crypto on Bybit beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to trade crypto on Bybit. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to bybit.com and you will land on this platform right here. Bybit.com is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell and trade with crypto. Today I'll show you how to trade using Bybit for free. So let's get into it. First of all, once you get to bybit.com, and as a complete beginner, if you do not have an account, you will create one. Creating an account on Bybit is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account, enter your email address or phone number. Once you sign up, this is where you will get after the initial sign up or sign in. You can see we have buy crypto option, where I can buy crypto with one click, P2P trading, FI deposit and crypto deposit. Then we have the marketplace, which gives us a huge marketplace with all of the futures, all of the, trading, all of the different stakes as well. Then we have the trade option. So this is where we will focus today. On Bybit, we have spot trading, margin trading, leverage tokens, trading bots, and launch pad buy bots. So I will show you the spot trading, margin trading, and the trading bots. Then we have earn, finance, and NFT too. So I'm going to open up the spot trading first. And with spot trading, we can select a coin first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Bitcoin from here. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you have all the information you need and then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for the platform Bybit to show you what are the different options we get on bybit.com. That being said, let's continue. So you can see this is the coin that I selected. There is a zero fee for this. This is actually really good. This is going to be the live price of the coin that we have selected at the time of making this video. Then we have 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and 24-hour turnover. Again, we have 24-hour volume and daily interest rate as well. Well, when you open up a trading window, like I opened up the spot trading, but with this, I can switch to the margin trading as well, and I can also access the trading bots. So I will show you one by one. First of all, this is the chart right here. If you know how to read a crypto chart, you will select the time from here. I have selected daily. Then you can select the indicator. I'm going to go with the candles. Standard or trading view. Let's switch to the trading view so that we can get a better idea. We also have a depth view available. At the bottom, we have log and auto option. This is going to be the candle graph right here, and I will be able to check the highest and the lowest right here. With each point, we are getting the highest price, the lowest price, and we have our change everything. So this is the chart. You know how to read a chart. You can just select and kind of like keep track of the coin that you have selected. Then we have the order book right here. In order book, we have our sell and buy option available too. Now, this is where we do the trading. So I have selected, because we're doing a spot trading first, I'm going to select spot from here. We have two options, buy or sell. Let's go to the buy. Then we have limit, market, or TPSL. So I'm going to go with the limit. Order price. You will enter the price. Because we're going with BTC and USDT, that is why I'm seeing the price in USDT right here and the quantity in BTC. But if you have selected any other coin, for example, Ethereum, USDT, you have Bitcoin and BNB, so you will, kind of like get the idea that what you have to put here. Order price here, quantity, select the percentage, order value, click on buy BTC, and you will be able to buy Bitcoin, trade in Bitcoin really easily. Right here next to this option, we have our history, where I will be able to see my transaction histories. We will be able to see our past orders. Then we have our order type, directions, we have spot pairs, and other options. We also have different tokens available. So the leverage token for the coin that you have selected. We can deposit the funds as well. These are going to be our assets. To buy crypto or deposit, you can go to this option right here. Buying crypto is also really easy with Bybit. Alright, so you can see this is the buy. Let's switch to the sell. With sell, again, you have to enter the order price, the quantity, the percentage, order value, and you will be able to sell. Moving on, we have margin. Now let's move on to the cross margin trading. Keep in mind, you can see leverage trading is highly risky. That's why I always say dealing with crypto involves a high degree of risk, and you should not base your information on just one video or a video about a platform. You should rather go ahead and get all the information you need, get a beginner's guide to the cryptocurrency, and then you can, of course, get started with the trading on any of the platform. Bybit is a really good choice for you. We have short here for the margin. I'm gonna go actually switch to long. So we're gonna buy and it's going to be long. For this, we have long and short option. For long, order price, quantity, percentage, order value, amount to borrow, and maximum amount. This is really important. Maximum buying amount and the amount order right here. These are again some of the tokens. Click on buy long BTC and you will be able to buy it. Similarly, we have short option when it comes to the margin trading, and we have the limit market, TBSL, order price, quantity, and everything again. So you will just select the option, and this is the button at the bottom right here. So you will click on it. Just because the video, I'm not proceeding with the process, but this is how you will do it. Moving on, let's actually go to the trading bots now, because as a beginner, I'm actually really happy with the trading bots. As the cryptocurrency is evolving with time, we got introduced to the bots, and it really helps us a lot, because if you're a busy person, we cannot sit and monitor everything every hour, so we can use the trading bot. What is a trading bot? Well, it's just like having a robot to do the trading for you. What we do is we add some parameters, we give commands to our bot that, okay, we want to buy when it's the lowest price and we want to sell when it's the highest. And that's what the bot does for us. Let me actually show you how to create a bot. Let's create the simplest bot, which is the spot grid bot. Buy low and sell high automatically, ideal for the sideway markets, zero fee. Click on create now and it will take you to the trading window. Here you can see, select the spot pair. All right, this is actually a guide. Let's select the pair, what pair you want to go for. I'm going with BIT and USDT. Price range. In USDT, you will enter the lower price. Keep in mind to read the chart first so that you can get an idea that what is the lowest price for this coin, this pair, and what is the highest price. This is really important, reading a chart. You can autofill as well. I'm going to click on the autofill option and it will show me the lower price is 0.405 and the highest is 0.49. Number of grid is really important. I'm going with 29. You can autofill really easily. So as a beginner, it actually becomes really easy to trade. Interval, then we have profit and we have the grids. Moving on, we have the total investment. Here you will enter the investment, the amount for USDT. Let's say I have 100. So you will enter the 100. Of course, you require funds in your wallet. Once you have the funds, click on create now and you will be able to create a bot. We can also add some advanced option, which is the entry price, stop loss price, and take profit. Click on create now and your trading bot will be created with Bybit. So it was really important to show you the trading bot, which is the smart trade made easy. Let's get back to our spot trading view. Before that, you can see there is not just one bot available. There is also a DCA bot. Then we have some of the other bots that we can create, even futures bot with Bybit. And this is our, again, spot trading view and the margin trading that we can do with Bybit. Of course, there are a lot of other options available. We have a user guide. You can also check out the settings here. Then we have derivatives earn and finance with Bybit.com. But this was a beginner's tutorial to show you guys how to trade with Bybit. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.